World War I was titled the War to End All Wars and the Great War. It was fought from 1914 to 1918. World War I brought an end to many of the great empires in Europe. Germany and Austria-Hungary allied with the Ottomans to counter the political weight of Russia to the east and Great Britain to the west, and France to the west. The political landscape of Europe was forever changed as a result of World War I, as was the geography. Trench warfare was a new element of World War I. It had been used before, but not on such a large scale as was seen in northeastern France. New technologies and tactics were also utilized in the war, as we'll examine in this unit. Boys signed up in droves to fight with blind patriotism, only to discover disease, filth, and the new terrors of new technologies like the machine gun and noxious gases used in the trenches. America joined the war as it neared a close, seeking revenge for German U-boat aggression. In this unit of study, we'll examine both our involvement in the war, why it took so long for us to get involved, and some of the new terrors and horrors experienced by soldiers across the continent and in North Africa. We'll examine how mounting tensions in Europe led to explode into such a large-scale conflict that the world had not seen before. We'll examine how our president, Woodrow Wilson, eventually decided to take action and become involved in the war effort. We'll examine war propaganda and those materials used to encourage citizens to support the country in the war effort and to send some of our young men and women to assist in the war effort in Europe. We'll examine how a war was started over what many would say was something as simple as a sandwich. To be continued.